If you are printing on mesh, I will make this very simple for you. I use the UltraFlex 328. The UltraFlex 328 mesh is a certified mesh. It's been on our certified list for quite some time. It's the UltraMesh Premium 328. It prints beautiful. It runs easy. This is a no-liner mesh. So if you have a 315 or you have a 335 and you do not have an ink collector, it's not going to work. This is 365 or 500 series only because you have to have that ink collector. You're going to put a lot of ink through here, and it's going to be taken up by that ink collector. So be aware of that. But if you have the ink collector, this is my choice in mesh. I do not run linered mesh on a 360, 365, or 500 series because I don't need to. I can get this. The non-linered mesh is a lot easier to run. It performs a lot better. It costs less. This is widely available. This is certified. This is what I recommend if you're going to run mesh on a 360, 365, or 500. It's really that simple.